Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you the 5 best undermount drawer slides for 2025. Now here at Woodworker Express, we surveyed over 250 customers and analyzed a ton of sales data to find out which 5 were the best undermount drawer slides based on motion, durability, and of course, value. Now first up is Bloom Tandem series. Of course, these slides are known for their patented Bloom motion, soft closing, but another great benefit of these slides is that they are the easiest to adjust and the only slides on the market that have the rear tilting adjustment along with that rear left to right adjustment to help prevent and overcome racking. Now the Tandem 563 series are available in H, which is great for 1/2 inch to 5/8 thick material on your drawer box. And then of course the F series, which focuses on the 3/4 thick drawer box. Next on the list is the Celiche Progresso series. This is the newest and greatest from the Celiche lineup. These slides have quickly become the industry standard for synchronized drawer slide motion. Thanks to great ingenuity and a geared rack and pinion system, these slides eliminate uneven or walking drawer movement. This awards Celiche with the smoothest glide on the market. Now another really great slide option is the Grass Dina Pro. These slides offer a nice synchronization and great adjustability. These slides have been around for a long time and truly have become the industry standard and a favorite with their 3D adjustments. Now, if you're looking for a budget-friendly slide, I would highly recommend our Pro 600 series. These slides prove that you don't need to spend a fortune for a quality undermount drawer slide. This is Woodworker Express's own recommended line, offering a robust 100-pound load capacity and a reliable soft close action at a budget-friendly price. Now, the Pro Series slides are, of course, full extension and come with the same general features as the big brands. And finally, the Headach Quadro slides, known for their smooth, quiet operation and robust design. They are widely used in the furniture, particularly in kitchens and bathrooms, and are available in various sizes with a lot of emphasis on millimeter size options. Now, normally these slides come in inch lengths, whereas Headach, they offer quite a few millimeter size options. Now, by choosing any of these top-rated undermount drawer slides, you'll be getting the benefit of soft closing, full extension drawers that feel high-end and work flawlessly for years to come. Happy upgrading!